chain just dropped, got my whole side on. Down and through the roots, got the corner blue roots. Step my pie and kick, feel the 450 boost. Tabletop, air it out, heel click too. Landed no-handed cause I'm sick like flu. Curve coming quick, kick it down, gear 2.